Okay, so far we have covered the metric system and conversions. We've talked about significant figures, and we are going to be getting into scientific notation. I wanted to include the significant figure slides in here. I've taken out the examples, the ones with the problems that you worked on in class, and I've just left up the rules on slide 4. The rules again on slide 5, but shown differently. The adding and subtracting rules, the decimal rule on slide 6, the multiplying and dividing rules on slide 7, and then multi-step problems and rounding on slide 8. And I know I didn't get to this last slide with all of my classes, but it's very easy when you're doing multi-step problems where maybe you are multiplying and then you are dividing and then you are adding. Just make sure that you're not rounding until the very end. That's the only thing. Do all the math like you normally would, but don't round your answer until the very end. And you want to follow the rules as you go along. Okay, so rounding, making sure that if you are going to be multiplying and dividing, that you have just the least number of significant figures out of all the numbers that you've multiplied or divided with. And if you've added and subtracted, make sure you only have the decimal place as far as the least far number. So 1.2 versus 1.213, you'd want it to be one decimal place. And then join me back on slide 9. Slide 9 is going to be the one that says scientific notation, and it has number 3 on it, and we will pick up from there.